And just like that, we are back to do the plumbing. Voila. We're gonna stop the rain. We're gonna stop the rain. I've messed up, so I had to reconstruct it. I'm on my way to go to Home Depot real quick to pick up some supplies, get everything that we need for the day. And just like that, we're back. Well, time for some musical chairs. Musical chairs? Musical cars. I meant musical cars. Let's move some things around. Did everyone get a seat? Everyone made it through the next round? All right. Oh yeah, look at all the space we got now. Everything's gonna be going down here, and it's gonna be going down. By that, I mean like we are getting it done. Like I'm going to finish this bus with ifs, ands, and buts. Maybe the ceiling can wait, but after the ceiling, that's it. That's all I'm waiting for. Plumbing, bed frame, cabinets. Are you guys building a bus or a van and need some plumbing expertise? Well, you've come to the right place. Kinda. I think I know enough. We've done enough research. This is a 4-gallon hot water heater, and we have a 46-gallon fresh water tank. We're gonna get that all in before we get to our bed frame. We have all the supplies, have a little bit of everything. We have a 12-volt fresh water pump, a accumulator, then we have a strainer, then we also have a water filtration device that we're gonna get the plumbing in, so then we know the height for the bed frame. And let's get to it. I'm just putting this guy together here. Little plastic fitting going to the strainer, to the pump. This little piece fitting usually comes with one of these. I can't remember which one, I ordered it so long ago. But this piece will come with one of these that goes in the middle there. And then this will have another one of these. And I am doing some thread tape just to be sure. Then this is gonna have to go somewhere, I believe, right after this, if I'm gonna do that today. If not, I might just get everything ready. Also, I do have an outdoor shower that's gonna get plumbed right at the back side of that door right there. I'm not gonna cut a hole, but gonna plumb the shower right there, and that'll have hot and cold water. We still have to run some lines there, so everything's not gonna get hooked up, but at least we're gonna know the height for the bed frame, so we can start getting that in the closet and everything else. Here's our tank right here. I still already have the fittings in there. I also repainted the floors, so they're all nice and prime, ready to go. Here's where that piece is going. Just gonna cover up the insulation. First wall, it's in. That easy. Now, time to get this plumbing in. All right, looks like we have a change of plans. We are going to do the bed frame and then get that outlined. And then from there, we're just gonna plumb this stuff because I don't think it's gonna be that difficult. We're gonna keep it open. Get that going. All right. Well, here's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna mark them and then in each spot, then make sure they're square and slap them in. It's crazy. You think how much space that just takes up alone, but then you're gonna have plumbing and electricals over there, and the refrigerator is gonna be right here underneath. And this is for skateboards and everything like that, all the fun stuff. Let's get the show on the road. And there you go. Just like that, we're already done. Boom, 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 boom. Bang, bing, bong, bing, ding, dong. You know what I'm saying? It's getting dark. I don't know if I'm gonna stop yet. I might just keep going. But we got a all the pilot holes drilled. We're getting this bed all formed up. Get the water tank under here and the hot water heater and all the plumbing in. Run the plumbing down, and then we can build the closet and get everything started there. Pretty much next time you see me, it's gonna be the next day. So, next day, here we come. Welcome back, everybody. Today, well, as you can see, we already did a little bit. Right now, we're actually going to probably go back and do a couple furring strips that I didn't really quite plan for at the moment. So I'm gonna go do that, get the furring strips going. Got to get up on the roof and fill in the existing holes. Once we fill in the existing holes, then we can really get going, because for some reason we've done all the windows, we've done everything, but it still leaks. Let's get this show on the road and stay tuned because it is just started. Whoa! So first things first, we're gonna do this roof. We got this adjustable ladder here, so it makes life so much easier. There's a whole bunch of little bolts up here, most likely holding down the sheet metal to the ribs, but you can't see it from the inside. I'm just up here counting all these little rivets so I can get them covered up, and hopefully that'll help with some of the leaking. Just like that. Voila, already done. We're gonna stop the rain. Stop the rain, stop the rain. We're gonna stop the rain. Oh. I'm gonna go up there and show you guys what exactly I did. One-handed. All right. All those little polka dots are all little bolt heads. So they had some caulking on them, and I scraped all that stuff off. There was a total of 18 of them. And so that's all done. So hopefully that stops some of our leaking, because I've resealed the windows like 3 times now. I don't think it's the windows, unless it's filling up in like the gutter system of the windows, but even then, very unlikely. We also have a Henry's Tropical, which is like a radiant barrier. And we're gonna paint this whole thing white on the top of this material. And that should help with some heat insulation, and it'll also cover up all of these holes, so we won't have a polka dot. It'll all just be white, but it'll also be sealed from on top, and this is paintable, so it's all good. So yeah, that's the plan for that. Let's get back to the inside, maybe get some wall panels up. Yeah, it's looking good. Thank you guys for watching. Ooh, almost fell. So right here, here's gonna be our shower. So we'll go right there, hot and cold. Yeah, it's kind of what we're looking like. And the water fill will also be like about right here. A little bit of planning goes a long way. All right, guys. So right now, we're gonna frame out the closet, get that so I can drill out a hole for the solar panels. And after that, we will maybe work on the other side. So we have a 4-person kitchenette, little slide out, and the shower is also gonna go in that corner. Sink right here, oven over there. Yeah, that's kind of the basis of how everything's gonna lay out. I'm also gonna work on some plumbing. So this episode's a little bit of everything. It's kind of crazy, but it's a lot going on. I got a couple days left, and we're gonna try to bang this thing out. So hit that like button, please. Hit that like button. Hit that like button, and if you could, go down below, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Let's get this show on the road. Oh, as you can see, fast forward a little bit, you're looking at the closet. Just gotta put it in and see if we got it somewhat right. I'm excited. There's a little glimpse, but I messed up. I messed up a lot. I put it instead of, yeah. We'll redo that. Not a big deal. That'll be the closet. Drawers and stuff, maybe open drawers. Not sure yet. Will be on this bottom level. Up here will be all clothes. So clothes, drawers, or open drawers, so we don't have to pull anything out. Kind of what we're looking at right there. I've messed up, so I had to reconstruct it, but we're gonna do some magic, you know, type deal, and it's all gonna boom, just like that. You guys ready? You ready? Woo! Voila! Just like that. Did a little quick swap and swippity swoopity swap. And it's all done. So let's get this baby up. Ah, can't wait.